Welcome to the heart of automotive manufacturing, where precision and power converge. We'll take you on a journey through the artistry of machining, showcasing the craftsmanship that shapes the very core of our vehicles. Witness the symphony of precision as our stamping machines come to life with meticulous accuracy. These machines transform raw metal into the intricate components that form the backbone of our automobiles. Our state-of-the-art stamping machines are a testament to precision engineering, is calculated to ensure that each stamped part meets the exact specifications required for seamless integration into the vehicle assembly process. Quality is non-negotiable. Our stamping machining process is complemented by rigorous quality assurance measures. Each stamped part undergoes meticulous inspection, guaranteeing that only the highest caliber components make their way into the assembly line. At ENCO, we take pride in the art and science of metal forming. Our commitment to precision, quality, and sustainability sets the foundation for the vehicles that drive us into the future. Join us in shaping the automotive landscape, where every stamp makes a mark of excellence.